So let's shift gears and have a look at understanding human error, because it can be frustrating. I've often been asked the question, well, we just tell people not to click on the link, but no one then says, what does that link look like? How do I identify it? And what do I really know about all of this? So the first part to know, and Paula pointed this out in the beginning, human error accounts, depending on the report you read, between 85 and 95% of successful cyber attacks is because of human error. It remains the single biggest issue that we have for data breaches in the legal industry. So yes, as a global problem, but specifically for your industry, it's the single biggest risk factor. And phishing, malicious emails, accounts for the majority of those attacks. Now, if you're in IT, you might have heard about Patch Tuesdays. If you're not, you might think, what is she talking about? It's a term used in IT departments. We always patch on Tuesdays because things are released from software, from network and infrastructure. Patching Tuesday, it's become a term. So we look at the secure by design terminology as well. And the fact is that humans are not born secure and we can't be patched on Tuesdays. Why I say that is